Is your Mac running slower than usual? Clearing your system cache files might be the solution. Hi there, welcome back to Bit9, your go-to channel for tech tips and tricks. Today, I'll guide you through a quick and easy process to clear the system cache files on your Mac OS. Let's get started. Before we dive in, let's quickly cover what the system cache is. Simply put, it's a temporary storage area that Mac OS uses to speed up processes. Over time, these cache files can pile up and consume precious disk space, sometimes even causing glitches. Alright, here's how you can safely clear the system cache files. Follow along closely. First, open Finder, then click on Go in the menu bar, and select Go to Folder. Type in /library caches, and hit Enter. This will take you to the folder where most user and system cache files are stored. Next, select the files and folders you want to clear. To be safe, avoid deleting anything if you're unsure of its purpose. You can delete most of these files by dragging them to the trash, in case you get the warning. The operation can't be completed because you don't have permission to access some of the items. Just leave this folder untouched, as it may be required by certain applications on your system. Once you've cleared the cache folder, right-click on the trash icon in your dock and select Empty Trash. This will permanently remove those files. Finally, restart your Mac to ensure the system regenerates essential cache files. You'll likely notice a smoother and more responsive system after this cleanup. And that's it. Clearing your system cache on Mac OS is that simple. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tech tutorials. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.